Fox Elder County in northern Utah, northwestern Davis County in northern Utah, west central Morgan County in northern Utah, until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 5:36 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Great Salt Lake, south of the Causeway, or 17 miles west of Hill Air Force Base, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ogden, Bladen, Brigham City, Hill Air Force Base, Roy, Clearfield, Syracuse, Clinton, North Ogden, South Ogden, Washington Terrace, Riverdale, Hooper, South Weber, Cary, Willard, Marriott, Slaterville, Uinta, Bear River City, and Mantua. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on or near the Great Salt Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Fox Elder, Davis, and Weber.